Alright, today I'm gonna show you how to lower down the ride height on these BC Racing coilovers for the rear. You don't touch this, no need to touch this. This is just like a shock, whatever. You will be touching this though. This is what controls the ride height, and it's pretty easy. There's a locking, this one right up here locks it, and then the bottom one turns it. And in order to lower the car, we want to thread this base into itself, so that way it compresses and lowers the whole car. So here we go. So do this, loosen this up. Yeah. About that much. That's how much it's gonna drop. Now what we do, we get the big one and we start to turn it. Alright, so you just keep turning it until you reach your desired height, depending if you're going up or down. But like I said, we're going down, so we're moving the lower collar up into the threads, and then once we reach our desired height, we move the top collar down and basically jam it against the lower one by tightening it down. That way it doesn't move. But if you keep adjusting it, then leave it loose and keep going. But that's it. That's how you do it. And thanks for watching.